Hi, this is the elina demo system, and here we're looking at how you look at a company view on invoices. We have both an invoices list and an invoices charges report. Both have the same filters. Here I could look, for example, and filter to a company. I will use, this is not a real company because this is a demo system. So now I'm looking for only invoices and charges connected to the company MTL Medical. That is selected. You've got different statuses in elina: cancelled, overdue, paid, pending, and retry. So this allows you to look for every type of invoice. You can also include or exclude charge notes. That's a pro forma invoice, one that's before it comes. So practically I can use this to do a few different things. I could, for example, do a filter to look for overdue by due date as of today. And you can see here we've got one invoice for the company that's still overdue. And if I open that invoice up, I could also go and make payment for that because I've seen that the money's come in via bank transfer as of yesterday. So that's a practical way, that's one thing you could practically do to see anything which is overdue. We now have 0 invoices that are overdue there. What I can also use it for is to look for anything that's pending for, say, next month. So let's get rid of paid. And let's say for the month of August, what have we got that's pending? i.e. invoices that are going to be due. And we can see now we've got 7 invoices which are due to be paid in that period. What we can do then is we can also print all invoices, or we can export them. So we could do that and send it as a PDF through to the corporate or the customer. I could also create a top sheet using the invoice charges report. The invoice charges report reports on information in 3 different summaries. You've got the main summary, you've got department, VAT, also product and service. Okay, 4 different summaries. Let me just here. Okay, so I could do exactly the same thing. I could look for pending in the period of August. Let me just check, make sure that I've got exactly the same thing set. Due date here. We'll run this. And now we found the same invoices or charges, and it's giving me more information. It's giving me the description, the invoice date, the due date, pay date, status, company and guest. It's giving me the properties, also VAT levels, and I can export that report to CSV and download it and send it. So I could send over both a CSV and a PDF file through to the company or corporate to make payment. So this makes it much faster and much easier for you to be able to report on and send billing for past or future periods to corporates or companies that you're working with.